Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. I'm Georgina. If you are new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. In today's recipe, I'm gonna share with you this recipe that no one has ever done on any social media platform. This chicken thighs kebab turned out so delicious. It's yummy and you need to give this a try because you're definitely going to love it. First thing you're gonna do is to soak your skewers in water and let it sit for some hours before using it. Now let's move on with the chicken. So I'll use 2.5 kilograms of chicken thighs, and it's totally optional. You can use chicken breast of course, but I still want some skin on the chicken. That's why I'm using chicken thighs. So I'll use a knife to cut a straight line, just like so, and then put the knife between the chicken meat and the bones, and then cut off the meat over there. You want to pull out all the chicken from the bone, just like so, and then cut it into smaller pieces. And the most important thing, or the rest of the chicken bones, you see it still has some meat on it, so you can use it to do chicken stock, and for your next recipe you can use it. It also helps as well. So I'm gonna try to take all the chicken from it, just the meat from the bone, just as seen or demonstrated in the video. So this is what you're looking for. When done, turn into your bowl, wash it, and then make sure it's totally dry, and then transfer it into your big bowl or your plate or your pot. So the next thing I'm going to do is to cut some onions, habanero pepper, green chili pepper, ginger, and garlic. I'll use this ingredient to marinate the chicken for about some hours. Put them in your blender, add in olive oil. I didn't add in water, it's only olive oil that I added to it, and then I'll blend it to almost smooth and set it aside. So before adding it, I'll go ahead and add in vegetable seasoning, chicken seasoning, and a little bit of salt, because the chicken seasoning and the vegetable seasoning has salt in already, so I didn't add in much salt. I'll then stir it and add in the blended onion mix. I'll stir it again until well combined, and then marinate it for about 2 to 3 hours. If you have more time, you can marinate it for about 6 hours, and trust me, it will come out so delicious. So after 3 hours, this is how it looks like. Now I'll stick the chicken in the I'll put it on the skewers and then arrange it on it like this. This is what you're looking for. I'll set that aside and go ahead with the rest. By then your fire should be ready for grilling, guys. So arrange it on your wire rack like this, like so, or depending on how your wire rack looks like, arrange it on it. And guys, this is how it should look like. This turned out so delicious, and we're going to take it to the next step again, guys. This is a must try recipe. You should stay close to it and keep turning, because you do not want the other side to get burnt, or you do not want it to get burnt on one side. The next step, you're gonna need soya spices, a tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of soya spices, and a 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and you're gonna brush it on top of the chicken, of the grilled chicken, just like so, guys. And this took the chicken to the next level. Just look at it. When done, flip it and repeat the same process. Just look at this beautifully grilled chicken. It turned out so yummy, and my kids were fighting with me for this chicken. It's all finished the same day. And you wouldn't even notice it's chicken thighs because there's no bones inside. It's all meat. But like I said, you can use only chicken breast for this recipe and it will work well. But then I prefer some skin on it as well. That's why I use the chicken thighs. And this turned out delicious, yummicious. Give it a try and inbox me how it turned out. Keep turning until it's ready, guys. So this is all the work. This is all the work. Everything is done here, and just look at it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you're gonna give it a try. Give this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, see you in my next video. Till then, adios. Love you all and stay blessed.